In this video, I'm going to talk about and show you how to create a stained glass look by using gallery glass paints as well as my bead mosaic technique on glass to get some really different results. Now here I've just chosen one of my standard kit designs just as something to create an easy outline for you. And I'm using my glitter black ArtEdge product. These are pre-cut strips that you can get in various colors. I happen to pick the black glitter because they are going to give that stained glass look, and with the glitter it gives a little bit of shine to it. But you can see how easily the ArtEdge goes down with the self-adhesive. It's a really easy product to use. Just peel it right off the paper, comes right up, and you can stick it right onto the glass. Now, using gallery glass, that is a paint product that is made for glass, so you don't necessarily have to etch the glass first, but I do recommend etching it if you're going to use the beads directly on the glass without the gallery glass underneath it. So you can see we've added all the black lines. They're straight, easy to put down, and you're ready to start adding paint immediately. So here I've just taken some of the different gallery glass paint colors that I have and created a new fun version of this Radiance butterfly. Now you do have to let this dry overnight. You want the gallery glass product to be completely dry, and this is how it's going to look when it's finished. You can put it in your window and it's clear. It's going to have some brilliance to it. And at this point you can decide to just leave it the way it is and put it in a frame and hang it up in your window, or you can add beads to it. And what I'm doing here is picking a couple of sections that I want to add some beads to, and I'm using my standard bead mosaic technique using skinny glue to glue them in. So I'm putting the beads down first on top of the dry gallery glass product, and then I'm going to pour my skinny glue on top and let it dry. And when it comes out, you're going to have this wonderful textural product that is going to be transparent, so you can see the gallery glass kind of through it, but it also creates a beautiful effect on the beads. And when it's not hanging in the window, you can really see the texture and enjoy all of the details and the incredible things that the beads do to the gallery glass. Now this is what it will look like from behind on the back side, but on the front side, check out all of this fun, wonderful texture and color that you get when it plays in the sunlight. All the patterns and ArtEdge are available at beadmosaic.com, and I hope you've enjoyed this video and create your own creations.